Okay, welcome, take one, to the episode 2 of the Australian Peanut Program Blanching extravaganza. We've had a request from Steven Spielberg for another episode after the first one was such a hit, with 11 hits on YouTube, but unfortunately 9 mine, one was Kylie's and one was some crazy scientist from the US. But we thought we'd go ahead and finish. Okay, today we're going to show you the blancher that's in progress. It's going to come to the US. This is our first one here that we're progressively working on. We found it out the back shed a while ago, and as you can see we've got our 4 rollers in there, but we're missing our drive, which I've done a couple of experiments on, and that's where we're at this point in time. But fortunately we have one that we prepared earlier. Thank you very much. Now today we're just going to go through the components of the blancher and how it runs without a sample inside of it. Okay, so the drive for the blancher, we have a 0.75 horsepower motor that's directly coupled, and it runs at it'll run about 1400 RPM. We also have a variable speed motor that can go anywhere from say 700 RPM roller speed to about 1800 roller speed. Currently we run at about 1280 RPM. Okay, and we might not look at a variable speed gearbox for this other blancher, so we can just have a motor drive. Okay, if we come around to the other side, all that drive is connected to about our four rollers and a drive pulley, as well as 2 idlers. Okay, these are our rollers. When this was previously in a plant, they would have been full of peanuts for blanching. But we only use a very small compartment, as you can see here. Our 50 gram sample goes into about a hand length type compartment. Now normally we have 50 gram sample that goes in for 10 seconds. Now these rollers all have basically 50 grade emery paper stuck to them and are araldated on the ends to make sure it doesn't come apart. Okay, we'll just run it now briefly so you can see how it works. Okay, as you can see, it spins around, sample goes in there, gets blanched, drops out the bottom, as you saw in video 1. Okay, thanks for your time. Look forward to seeing episode 3. If you have any questions or queries, please post them to the YouTube site. Thanks very much.